माना कि मुश्किल है सफर पर सुनो मुसा.
Hello friends, welcome to Let's Talk Nifty, where we try and figure out what the market might do next week. That is from Jan 8 to 14. So this week, as we expected, Nifty did come down and later it closed to 10 manpower 10. So this pattern has implications. This could mean that the index could reverse from here and fall up to 21,000 levels approx. And it could face huge resistance between 21,820 and 21,900. So if we get a reversal, bearish candlestick on the daily chart around these levels, then we can even go position short on it. So the fall I expect will be swift and fast. And in case market breaks out of 21,900 and trades about 29,900 and then makes a positive candlestick pattern, then you can expect up 22,206 and 22,471. But those are the two levels of the upside, and downside we should aim for 21,035. Now breaking it down to actionable 15-minute chart. So as I mentioned, Nifty has a resistance everywhere. I had mentioned this in our expiry video also. So it is really not wise to trade long in this market. We should try and find resistances. So for example, this is a resistance, there is a resistance. So if the market is turning from any of these areas, that's when we know that the bearish candlestick forms, then we can trade short for the downsides. The alternate scenario could be that market gaps down open and then it breaks this. This area has been tested a couple of times, so maybe one more test and then break down to 21,523, 21,454 and 21,317. So 21,521, 21,454 and 21,317 are our targets for Nifty during the week. So I'm bearish towards the outlook for Nifty for next week, simply because of the candlestick pattern that I see, and I will trade positive only when Nifty trades about 21,900 and I get a positive candlestick pattern. That means that Nifty is going to open up fresh upsides. So that's it. And as I had mentioned, the first week of Jan was going to be highly volatile. I hope all of you were able to profit from that. So if you like this analysis, please do like and subscribe. Next, we will go to BANKNIFTY.
Friends, going to Bank Nifty, we can see that it has got a resistance now at 48,800, which 48,800 to 48,900, which is the resistance zone for Bank Nifty, and the support will come around once. If I expect that the reversal will happen from 48,800, so that it will cross another high, and just to trap in buyers. For me, market needs to trade above 48,800, 48,900 levels, and for it to go to 50,200 is the next target, right? So if it trades above 48,900, then we are looking at 50,236, and if it reverses from 48,800 levels, then we are looking at a definite target of 46,000, which is near the previous all-time high. So this is what we should look for. This big swing is something that I am anticipating, and if it happens, I'll cash in on it. If it doesn't, that's it. That's what financial markets are. There is no risk, there is no reward. So it doesn't mean that I'm going to go short blindly. I'm going to wait in the daily time frame, I want to see a negative candlestick for getting formed at my resistance level, and then I will enter a positional short for target of 46.14. So I'm bearish on Bank Nifty as well, but maybe to start the week it could move up. Let's not discount that possibility, and probably on expiry day, or most probably on expiry day we might get a good move, is what my anticipation is. Let's see if I'm right or wrong next week. And so that's it for this week's analysis of Nifty and Bank Nifty. I will try and do Fin Nifty analysis for the expiry like last time, and I hope this was useful to all of you, and thank you very much for liking and subscribing, and I will